everyone. Today we're going to talk about different types of lines in art. Now, lines are very important to artists. They're one of the ingredients of making an artwork. We call it an element of art. So when we look at works by artists, we see that artists use many different types of lines. Like in Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, we can see he's used lots of curvy lines, swirls, and if you look very closely, those are made up of many broken lines within those swirls and those circular lines around the stars. There's many curved lines, straight lines, diagonal, vertical, and horizontal lines. Even when you're writing words, you use horizontal, vertical, diagonal, many straight and curved lines to create letters. So what I want you to do is get a piece of paper and something to write with, and let's practice coming up with many different types of lines today. So the first line, and sometimes very difficult to do, is just a straight line. But just think, you use that all the time when you're writing your letters, right? Your straight line might be this direction, which is horizontal. It might be this direction, which is vertical, or it could be slanted or diagonal. Now let's get a little more creative. Let's try something we call a zigzag line, which goes up, down, up, down. Maybe you think of this as a line used for mountains or many other things. Maybe lightning. We could slant it to the side a little bit more to make it more like lightning. Try one like that. Now let's make one not so sharp. Let's try something curvy. We can make a line that curves like this. Or maybe it's just small curves like this. So try some curvy lines. It could even be uneven curves like this. This looks like some paint dripping down my page. Still a curvy line. Now let's try something we use for maybe drawing an ocean, some wavy lines. We might draw the ocean like this, or maybe we give it a little curve, like the ocean, wave. It's about to curl over. How about we think back at Starry Night and some of those swirls in the sky that go around and around. We call those a spiral. We see those in art and in nature many times. What about a broken line? It could be a broken line, or it could be a dotted line. So maybe the line isn't connected. We could make a line that's loopy or curls. And I have so many ideas and I'm almost out of space. Let's see what else I can come up with. Better be good because I only have a little space left on my page. I'm going to make a line that looks like I'm starting a square, but I'm not going to close it. I'm going to go over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down. It looks like the top of a castle. See if you can try one like that. I think I'm going to make a line that starts out straight, makes a bump, straight, make a bump, straight, make a bump, and just keep continuing. Now, if you have more room on your page, see what else you can come up with. Maybe a line could be made of line and shape connected. What else can you come up with? Be very creative. Artists use their imagination many times, and there's millions and infinite ways you can create lines for your artwork. Have fun.